So today we're going to be cooking a real crowd pleaser. It's the Parmesan Chicken Nuggets with potato cubes and slaw. It's one of our weekly classics and it's going to please little ones and big ones alike. At the end of this video I'll share a couple of more tips how to make it absolutely bulletproof. Let's get started. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 180 degrees Celsius with the fan. Then chop the potatoes. You can leave the skins on and chop them into cubes. Add the potatoes to a large baking tray with a drizzle of vegetable oil and a generous pinch of salt. Then toss the potatoes in the oil until they are fully coated. Roast in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until starting to turn golden and crisp. Once crisp, sprinkle with the smoked paprika. Meanwhile, chop the chicken breast into nuggets. Slice or shred the white cabbage as finely as possible. Peel and grate the carrot. And then finally trim and finely slice the apple into matchsticks. Add the Grana padano, all-purpose flour and pinch of salt to a bowl and mix them up. Add the egg to another separate bowl and whisk it. Dip the chicken nuggets into the whisked egg, then coat them in the cheesy flour. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat with a drizzle of oil. Once hot, add the coated chicken nuggets and fry them for 5 to 6 minutes on each side until golden and cooked through. If the surface starts to brown too quickly, reduce the heat to low. Try not to move the nuggets around too much. Meanwhile, mix the mayonnaise, white vinegar and a pinch of salt in a large bowl. Add the shredded cabbage, grated carrot and apple. Give everything a good mix-up. Serve the chicken nuggets with the potatoes and slaw on the side. So this is a real classic in our household and I'm hoping you enjoyed this video and you're going to enjoy eating this recipe as well. I'm going to give you the taste, but before I do that I'm going to give you 2 tips. So if you're cooking for fussy eaters, first thing is you can always peel your potatoes because sometimes the potato peel just doesn't fit right with little ones. Also some of the spices, smoked paprika, you can just omit, and same with the coleslaw, you can just keep it without the mayonnaise dressing, serve it as is and then add the mayonnaise for the grown-ups or for the non-fussy ones. Now I'm gonna just try it. If you enjoyed this video and want to see similar recipes, you'll find them here. Bon appétit!